I'm going to help you draw a regular pentagon. Don't forget, regular means they've got the same size sides and the same angles. In a pentagon, a regular pentagon, all angles should be 108 degrees. So we start with by picking the same one length for a side. I'm going to pick 6 centimeters. Right here. And you can pick any length that you want. I just chose 6 because it's nice and big. And then at the end of one side, you're going to make sure that the second side opens up at 108 degrees. So I'm going to make sure that the vertex, my second side is going to go somewhere here. So my vertex is right in that middle, that center. I'm going to line up one side with the 0. Now notice how the 0 is on the outside, and that's where I want to follow. Those are the numbers I want to follow past 90, past 100 to 108 right here. And I'm just going to mark where that is. Now don't forget, that's just to indicate how wide to open up that second side. So where to aim that second side. So I'm going to aim that second side right there. It's got to go through that tick mark, but the length of the side I want it to be is 6 centimeters. So I'm going to start drawing, line up from that 0, start drawing past that tick mark to 6 centimeters. If you choose a smaller number like 2 centimeters or 3 centimeters, then you're just going to aim that ruler right through that tick mark, but stop drawing at whatever length that you chose. Now again, from here, ignore this part. I want my next side to point towards 108 degrees. So I'm going to take my protractor again, line up that vertex, line up that 0, and I'm going to open it up following the 0, past the 90, past the 100 to 108 degrees. And then I'm going to point my ruler in that direction, in the direction of the tick mark, and draw up to 6 centimeters for me. Perfect 6. From the other side, if I want to open up, I can do the same thing because this protractor works both ways. I can count from 0, open it up clockwise, or I can start from 0 using the inside numbers and open up the angle counterclockwise. So let's say I wanted to do it from this end right here. If I want to make this the vertex and aim my side going out this way, I can line up that one side with the 0 on the inside set of numbers and open it up counterclockwise, past 90, past 100 to 108. That's where I'm going to be aiming my 6 centimeter side. Line it up. And then draw only up to 6 centimeters. Like that. And then, if you do that properly for all the sides except for the last one, that last side should magically line up to be a perfect 6 centimeters. And you don't have to measure the angles because it'll automatically become that perfect length. So that's how you do. All of these are going to be 108 degrees. For my regular pentagon, and my side, for all of your regular pentagons, and my side will be 6 centimeters for mine. For all the other regular pentagons, here are the angle measurements. You can pause it here, copy it down. I'll also write it in the live agenda. Okay?